So, hi everyone. Today we will discuss about some important tables in SAP MM. So, as you can see, um, we have many tables in SAP, but for SAP MM we have some specific tables which are used in our day-to-day life for development purposes or anything. Okay, so let's start with the tables, and you can see there are a list of tables which are associated for the procurement process. And the first table, EBAN table, is for the purchase requisition, in which you can see all the documents related to purchase requisition. And there is no specific item table. There is only one table for EBAN table. So I will show you um, how it looks. So let's go to SC16N, go to the table EBAN. Okay, so this is custom for me, so I'll show you. I have only one document, and it look like we have a purchase requisition number with item number. So the main important fields: document type, okay? So purchase group, the related by, changed on, and plan. So these are some of the important fields which are used to create a requisition. Okay, so we will move for. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, so we'll go forward for EKQ table. This table is used for all data in the header level for the purchase order. So I'll show you how it looks. I'm just giving you just a feel of what exactly it look like. So always use SS16N for table view and go to EKKO. Okay, so in EKKO you can see some of the fields are there, right? Like is document number, company code, document category, document type, means all the data which is relevant to any header data with for the PO is shown in this only. Okay, so I have couple of POs. I have six POs so far, so I can show you that these POs were created, and for the company code I have before. So these are the header data which you can see in this table. Okay, so going forward, uh, we will go for an EKPO table, which is the all the item level data. Means for the purchase order, there are two types of data. There is header level and there is an item level. So for all the item level data, we got the table EKPO. Okay, so just show you. So just to wait a minute. Okay, okay, I'll show you how it looks like. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Yes. Okay. So EK is the table for all line item data. So earlier I have shown you the data for header level. Now you can see the data for line items. Okay. So everything which is related to line item is shown in the table EKPO. So whether it is input, whether it is quantity, whether it is base price. So everything related to item level will be shown in this table. Okay. So we move forward. Okay. Just wait. Okay. So we have another table which is called history table for looking into the history of all the procurement process. All the POs which were created for GR and which were created for IR shown in this table. So by using EKBE table, you can get all the history of a PO, like whether the PO was GR'd or not, whether the PO was IR'd or not. Everything you can see via this EKB table. Okay, so I will show you how it looks in SCP. Okay, wait a minute. So we will go to SC16N and EKB table. Okay, so you can see here there are some important fields in the EKB table. Okay, so I have some purchasing document. Okay, like this one. So I will take this and execute. So as you can see, the documents are there in this table. So each document have some significance. Like if you talk about this document, then if you go to this field, PO history category, this is very important in this table to identify which kind of document it is. Okay, so if in this history indicator, if it is E, so what E signifies? E is WE document, means it is an material document or GR document. Okay, so corresponding to this E, there is a material document, so we can say the GR document. Okay, so if you go to this data and see what Q signifies, okay, the Q signifies REL document, which is Myro document. Okay, so all the documents corresponding to this is Myro document. Okay, so this is the use of this AB table. Okay, so we will go forward little bit. I'm not going into deep into the tables because we need to cover things. This is only a overview. Okay? So go forward. MKPF table, which is material document header data table. All the GR documents header data uh, is present in this table MKPF. Okay, so I'll show you how it looks. Go to SS16N MKPF. So this is the material document. Okay, so this is the header table. So all the so far there are three material documents, and for documents we have some header date. Okay, like user, posting date, enter date, document date, etc. Okay, so likewise we have a MSAC table, which is for the material document item data table. Okay, means everything like PO number r- and quantity and the price of that PO depicted in this MSAC table. So we'll forward and check the MSAC table. Like for this, I'm going to show you. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, so here you can see all type of all kind of details like moment type. Okay, plant, store location, vendor. Okay, so an item data will be present in this table. Okay, so moving forward, we are going to RBKP table. RBKP table is used for invoice header table. It is considered as the table which stores the data of header level of Miro documents. So I'll show you how it works. So RBKP, we are going to RBKP. So we will just put the current fiscal year so that we can get. Okay, so these are the invoice documents or Miro documents which were created custom. So we will get all the data like document date, posting date. So entered at okay company code which is on the header level. So all the data were present in this header data table. So going forward, we are going to our item level for invoice receipt. So these all data is present in our SAC table. Okay. So how it looks, I'll show you. Okay, so we are going to our SAC table. So we will check what all data is present. We can see here for the in RSEC table, we can see the PO numbers from which the Miro document was created is present here. And along with that, we any code, plant, amount, text code, which is an item level, quantity, how much quantity was procured. Okay, so every data, definition class of the material also present. Okay, that is an important part in the material. So all those is present in the item. So these table rsec is used for item level. Okay, now these are some important tables in procurement process. So now I'm going to show you how to link the tables in the procurement. This means if you are customizing any report for Z or any customized report to show the data of PO, Go, Miro, and if your business demands that you need to check whether the PO was created, so what is the Miro number for that, or what is the accounting entry for that? Okay, so for those linkage we have I'm just considering these three. Okay, so you can see that your company has you to generate a report via which the company can see for which PR, what is the PO created, and what is the Miro number for that, and what is the accounting entry, or what is the accounting FI document number. Okay, so for PO, so how you will proceed. Okay, so I'll show you how to proceed with the linkage. So just wait for a moment. Okay, so now we are going to table keep EBAN, which is for the PR. Okay, so we'll execute it and we have this requisition number like this. Okay, so for this purchase requisition we have line item 10 document B, and you can see from this PR pick the PO number associated with that. Just wait for a moment. Yeah, this is the right. So you need to go to purchase requisition. You have to put the purchase requisition number, item number, and you will get the order number and item number associated with that. Okay, you need to just pick it and go to the table as in and go to Ekb table. Okay, so this table. Okay, so those your documents have picked from EBAN table, you need to put it here in the purchase document. Okay, now my requirement is I need to have IR document, Miro document associated with that. So I need to put the PO history category as Q. Okay, so once execute it, so I'll get only IR document, not Migo document, because for document the history category is E. Okay, so I'll just pick this Miro document number. This is Miro document number. Okay, I'll just copy it and go to BKPF table. This is for this is an accounting table. This is an header accounting table. Okay, so so the Miro document is not. We are not going to put the Miro document in the document number because this document number is the FI document number. So we need to go field is there or key. Okay, so you need to, this is the reference key field number, so we need to put the my number, and along with that we have to put the fiscal year. Okay, once we put this thing and then we get the corresponding FI document. So this is the FI document number. So you can verify it. How you can verify it? You just copy the document number and go to FB03, and you need to put that number. So this FB0 used for all the FI document numbers. Okay, so we'll need to just put, and yeah, see, so this is the FI number and this is the description of that. And if you environments and go to document environment and original documents, you will get the Miro number. So this is the number, right? 762. Okay, and your FI document is, just wait a minute, this is the document number. So you get to know what exactly the difference in the accounting document and the Miro document. Once you create Miro at the background, the FI document is automatically generated. So this is a simple way that I've shown you how to get the uh, what is the linkage between PR and you can say accounting document related